We can all agree, hard water that shortens the lifespan of your appliances, increases utility bills, and creates scale buildup on your fixtures is no good at all. With an outdoor water softener, you can do better. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated outdoor water softener systems to find the best value for your specific use and get the soft water flowing. As always, we'll include our exclusive discounts and additional info on these products in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the SpringWell Future Soft Salt-Free Water Softener Conditioner. SpringWell salt-free water softeners are highly rated, and for a good reason. The technology built into the Future Soft salt-free water softener provides 99.6% scale prevention. Not only does this mean the end of lugging around bags of salt, but it also means a lot of savings. A more eco-friendly solution, the salt-free Future Soft system produces no water waste and never discharges harmful salt brine into the environment. It processes your home's water by a process called template-assisted crystallization that conditions the hard water minerals, like calcium, to not only prevent scale buildup, but also remove existing scale buildup around the house. Once the minerals neutralize, they no longer stick to your water fixtures, china, or glassware, and keep your appliances and water heaters free of lime scale to prevent costly maintenance. What we especially like about the Future Soft is it was designed for maximum water pressure of up to 20 GPM, so you never have a drop in pressure, even if there are multiple showers running simultaneously. The durable SpringWell system incorporates 20 years of expertise and is manufactured in the USA using only certified components, and includes a neoprene tank sleeve, making it perfect for outdoor installation. The pros are its lifetime warranty on tanks and valves with a 1 million gallon water conditioning guarantee. It eliminates new and existing water scale buildup, and it's guaranteed no drop in water pressure. It's chemical and salt-free, and there's no wastewater created or electrically required. The cons are that it may require additional professional plumbing installation costs. At number 2 is the best salt-based option, the SpringWell SS Salt-Based Water Softener System. Considered the best ion exchange water softener on the market today, the SpringWell SS Salt-Based Water Softener System is built to last for the long term, using only certified components and made in the United States. For starters, you get a durable polypropylene tank that contains the resin, which comes with a neoprene sleeve to prevent freezing or sweating, so you can guarantee optimum performance all year round. You also get a high-capacity brine tank that won't require frequent salt refills like most competitors. The resin tank comes with a batch of preloaded softening resin beads that help to completely eliminate water hardness, and they last for up to 10 years before replacing the resin media, which is multiples longer than most softener alternatives. The SpringWell softener system also tops the competition with a flow rate between 11 and 13 GPM to maintain the water pressure around your house, unlike typical water softeners with a flow rate of only 7 and 10 GPM. For added convenience, the included smart Bluetooth control head sets the standard when it comes to ion exchange technology and is well known for its quality and efficiency. This means the system only regenerates as needed, so it'll save you a lot of water and money on utility bills. You can even download the SpringWell app to monitor backwash cycles and water use right from your phone. The pros are its lifetime warranty on tanks and valves, and it completely removes water hardness causing minerals. It's one of the most efficient water softeners in the market, it's guaranteed no drop in water pressure, and it's built for DIY installation. The cons are that it may require professional installation help if you're not DIY inclined. Next at number 3 is the best cartridge-based option, the Evo Whole House Salt-Free Water Softener. Utilizing the latest in high-performance salt-free softening technology, the Evo is specifically designed for worry-free water from every tap in your home without the negative effects of salt and hard water scale. The Evo system also comes with a 20-inch pre-sediment filter to remove silt and debris as water enters your home, which helps protect your system for the long term. Since the system does not require any salt, electricity, or drain line to operate, it's virtually maintenance-free, and the cartridge does not need replacement since the eSoft salt-free conditioner physically alters the water's composition, rather than chemically altering it like an ion exchange process. Unlike many competitors which only address future scale, the Evo water softener system will not only prevent future scale from forming in your plumbing, but it will also remove existing scale formation. The best part is, you get all this without a drop in water pressure. The Evo has the capacity to support a house with up to 6 bathrooms, and has a huge max flow rate of up to 15 gallons per minute. Installation is made simple with the easy water in, water out design that only requires 2 connections. Most DIY folks can complete the task in under 60 minutes, and since it's a cartridge-based system, it takes up less room than tank-based systems. The pros are that it's backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. It doesn't require any salt or chemical to remove scale buildup. It's made in the USA with only certified premium components, and it comes ready for use with easy installation. The cons are that it works best for homes with less than 6 bathrooms. Next at number 4 is the best upflow option, the SoftPro Elite Water Softener. The SoftPro Elite Water Softener system is designed for efficiency, but has also been tested to NSF standards to guarantee its effectiveness and durability. Being a true high-efficiency rated system, it's one of the few softeners that is certified by the IAPMO group. High efficiency is very important, as it'll save you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water waste compared to other non-efficient water softeners. In fact, this system pays for itself within 2.5 years. The SoftPro comes with all the advanced features homeowners love, like the large LCD screen, vacation mode, and antibacteria growth technology, so you never have to worry about stagnant water issues. SoftPro Elite's next-generation Upflow technology is designed with new 1-inch plumbing ports to handle higher flow rates so you can run multiple appliances and showers simultaneously without drops in water pressure. Another reason we like this system is because it comes with 10% premium resin. These days, water utilities are using aggressive chlorine agents to sanitize your water. With high-grade resin, you can rest assured your SoftPro will not only be highly effective at softening your water, but also lasts for the long run. The pros are its lifetime warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. Its certified high-efficiency water softener system. It includes the neoprene tank cover and 1-inch ports for higher water pressure. The cons are that it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined. At number 5 is the best budget option, the Fleck 5600 SXT water softener system. When it comes to value, this water softener truly has a lot to offer. In fact, the Fleck 5600 valve is the most popular water softener control valve in the world, with its knurled valve body that offers accurate high water efficiency and guarantees lower power consumption. This highly effective digital metered water softener system uses a paddle wheel meter, which means you don't need to remove and clean the turbine wheel all the time to keep it from sticking and binding, making the Fleck one of the easiest water softeners to maintain on the market. Additionally, it comes with a 10% premium resin preloaded, whereas many competitors use 8% resin media, so the Fleck will last 3 to 4 times longer than competitors and maintain optimal performance against highly chlorinated and hard water conditions. The entire system is also designed for easy installation and operation. The Fleck comes with a quick connect hoses for easy installation on PVC, PEX, or copper pipes. For added peace of mind, it's backed with a 10-year warranty on tanks and a 5-year warranty on valves. The pros are its 10-year warranty on tanks and 5-year warranty on control valves. It's a very popular softener at a reasonable price point. The paddle wheel meter for easy maintenance, and its programmable computer control and built-in capacitor. Its cons are that it's not a high-efficiency model like alternatives SoftPro and SpringWell. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.